people say importing from China is easy money. I believed it and paid the price. If you import from China without knowing this, you will lose money. I did. Hello friends, I'm Vikram and today I'm going to share my story about importing products from China and building a business. A lot of people ask me, bro, can you really make money importing from China? The straight answer is yes, you can. But it's not as easy as people show on YouTube. I'll tell you my complete experience, both the mistakes and the success. So if you're thinking of starting, you'll be prepared from day one. My first mistake. 3 years ago, I had a regular job, 25,000 rupees salary. I thought, let me start a side business. I heard people saying import phone covers from China, sell on Amazon, make great profits. What did I do? Went straight to Alibaba, messaged a supplier. He said 500 pieces minimum order. I thought, okay, fine. 20 rupees per piece, so 10,000 rupees investment. If I sell at 100 rupees each, I'll make 50,000 rupees. Man, I fooled myself so badly. When the products arrived, I almost cried looking at the quality. The plastic was so thin it started cracking just from holding it. The colors were completely different from what was shown in the photos. I still tried to sell them. Listed on Amazon, on Flipkart too. Some sold, but within 2 weeks, 200 covers came back as returns. Customer reviews said terrible quality, broken one day, money wasted. I had to give refunds. Return shipping came from my pocket. And my account rating dropped too. That sounds like a tough but valuable lesson in e-commerce. First month's result, 15,000 rupees loss. What did I learn? I didn't give up. I did research, watched YouTube videos, talked to successful sellers. And then I understood what went wrong. 1. Sample orders are essential. If I had just ordered 10 to 20 pieces as samples first, I would have known the quality beforehand. Instead of investing 10,000 rupees, I could have tested with 500 rupees. Now, I always order samples first, physically check them, show them to potential customers, get feedback. Only then do I place bulk orders. 2. Understanding landed cost is crucial. Friends, this is the most important thing that beginners forget. Product price equals 20 rupees. But what's your actual cost? Product price 20 rupees. Shipping charges 8 rupees. Customs duty 20 to 30%, 6 rupees. GST 18%, 6 rupees. Local transport 2 rupees. Packaging material 3 rupees. Total landed cost equals 45 rupees. So if you're selling at 100 rupees, your profit is only 55 rupees, and from that subtract returns, advertising, platform commission, what's left? Always do this calculation first. Otherwise you think profit is 80 rupees per piece, reality will be 15 rupees to 20 rupees. 3. Understanding shipping options. There are mainly 2 options. 1. Air courier like DHL, FedEx, fast, takes 5 to 10 days. But very expensive. Good for small urgent orders. 2. Sea shipping, cheap, but takes 25 to 40 days. Best for bulk orders. I made a mistake the first time, ordered LED lights via sea shipping 1 month before Diwali. By the time they arrived, Diwali was over. 30,000 rupees worth of stock sitting idle. Lesson: pay attention to timing. For festive season or trend-based products, plan in advance. 4. Payment safety. Once I sent 50,000 rupees directly to a supplier via PayPal without any protection. The products never arrived. Supplier's number was switched off. No email replies. 50,000 rupees gone. Since then, I always use Alibaba Trade Assurance. It's an escrow system. Products arrive, I inspect them. Only then payment is released to the supplier. Rule: never send payment directly. Always use escrow or verified payment methods. That is a critical lesson on securing financial transactions when dealing with overseas suppliers. Which products are good? Now let me tell you, what should you focus on? 1. Phone accessories, cases, tempered glass, chargers, cables, lightweight, high demand, good margins. 2. LED lights, strip lights, bulbs, decorative lights, profit margin 40 to 60%. 3. Bluetooth earphones, low-cost models available at 100 rupees to 150 rupees, can sell for 400 rupees to 600 rupees. 4. Home decor items, wall stickers, showpieces, artificial plants trending right now. 5. Fashion accessories, sunglasses, watches, bags, but quality needs to be good. Avoid heavy items, freight very expensive, perishable goods, regulated items like medical devices without license. That is a very smart list for anyone looking to minimize shipping costs while maximizing profit. Legal and compliance. This is very important, friends. 1. Don't import counterfeit fake products. If you import fake branded products like fake Nike shoes, fake Apple accessories, customs will catch you. Products will be confiscated, you'll face fines, even legal cases. 2. BIS certification. For certain electronics items, Bureau of Indian Standards BIS certification is mandatory, like chargers, adapters, LED bulbs. Without BIS, you can't legally sell them. Check first which products are regulated. 3. Customs duty. Different duty rates for different products from 10% to 40%. It's calculated based on HS code. Talk to a freight forwarder or customs agent first. Returns and customer service. Friends, this is the biggest challenge. If you sell 100 products, expect 10 to 20% returns. Someone didn't like the size, someone didn't like the color, someone found a quality issue. Returns equals profit gone. So what do I do now? Quality check first. I test everything myself. Keep photos clear and accurate in listings. Write detailed product descriptions. Maintain good customer service. Reply to messages quickly. Do proper packaging so nothing gets damaged in transit. Once customer trust is built, you get repeat orders, and that's the most valuable thing. If you want to start, here's my advice. Start small, select 1 or 2 products. Test them. Don't be afraid to fail. Always order samples, invest 500 rupees to 1000 rupees in testing first. Calculate landed cost properly, make an Excel sheet, add all charges. Check the competition, see on Amazon, Flipkart what price the same product is selling at. Read reviews. Understand demand. Hire a freight forwarder or agent. Initially there's confusion about shipping, customs clearance. Agent will take some commission, but work becomes easier. Don't compromise on quality, don't ruin long-term reputation for short-term profit. Have patience, first 3 to 6 months is learning time. Don't dream of getting rich quickly. How much investment is needed? To be realistic, you can start decently with 30,000 to 50,000 rupees. 15,000 to 20,000 rupees for products. 5,000 to 10,000 rupees for shipping, duty, clearance. 5,000 to 10,000 rupees backup for returns, delays. If you have even less budget, focus on a single product. You can start with 10,000 to 15,000 rupees too. But definitely keep backup, because delays happen, quality issues happen, returns happen. Friends, importing from China and building a business is possible. I'm doing it myself, and many people are doing it successfully. But it's not easy. On YouTube, people only show the good parts. Reality is different. It takes hard work. It takes patience. It takes learning. But if you plan properly, learn from mistakes, focus on quality, then there's definitely good scope. All the best, friends. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. And yes, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe.